Somewhere in your home, there may still be a photo album quietly waiting to be opened. Sometimes, the oldest thing in the closet holds the newest memories in our hearts. Before we even opened it, the album already felt like a journey back in time. You did not rush through a family album. You entered it one page at a time. The first page never showed just a photograph. It brought an entire summer back to life. Every new roll of film felt like a fresh collection of memories waiting to happen. Loading the film was the first reminder that every picture had value. Nobody took 10 pictures of the same moment. One was usually enough. That single click carried a quiet hope that nobody blinked. The photographs already existed, but the memories still we had to wait. Once the film was finished, the waiting quietly began. A tiny little photo booth held days, sometimes weeks of your family's memories. Holding that little paper envelope felt like holding a surprise you had waited days to see. Before anyone saw the pictures, everyone leaned in together. Not every picture was perfect, but somehow every picture was worth keeping. A family photo album was never made to be viewed alone. Every picture came with a story, and every story found its way back into the room. A single handwritten date could bring back an entire year. The best part was not the photographs. It was hearing everyone laugh while remembering them. The album did not just preserve photographs, it preserved time spent together. The story did not always begin on the front of the photograph. A few handwritten words could bring back an entire vacation. Every crease, every faded corner become part of the memory itself. You did not just see an old photograph. You could actually hold the memory. Old photographs did not grow old by accident. They grow old beside us. Today we carry thousands of photos, but somehow we spend less time remembering them. Closing the album never felt like the end. It simply meant the memories would wait for another day. The people may grow older, but the album always knows how to introduce them again. Some things are simply too meaningful to become digital. One day, someone may forget your phone password, but they'll never forget the feeling of opening your old family photo album.